Sarah,
Yes?
describe work item.
This work item will guide you through the replacement of gauge PIT 5003. It has been reported as defective recently.
Okay. Begin work item.
When you have completed a step, say next, or check to move to the next one.
Move.
First of all, locate pipe 1 CWC 5003 A1 OPM.
Check.
To move on, you have to locate valve HV 5003.
Check.
Now, close the valve by turning it clockwise.
Check.
OK, now locate valve HV 5004.
Check.
Close the valve by turning it clockwise.
Check.
Now, locate bleed valve BV 5001.
Check.
To move on, you have to empty the pipe by opening the bleed valve.
Check.
Locate the pressure indicating transmitter number 5003.
Check.
To go on, remove the malfunctioning instrument.
Check.
Put the new instrument in place.
Check.
Close the bleed valve.
Check.
OK, to continue, you need to reopen the valve HV 5004.
Check.
The last step is to reopen the valve HV 5003.
Check.
This work item is completed. There are no other work items available for this station. To close this item say, close work item.
Close work item.